Okay, so here is Tyler. He's making a volcano. Thank you, Auntie Lisa, for giving us this phenomenal idea for Christmas. Tyler took it to the next level. Is it gonna work? Yeah, I did. How far did it throw? How far did it shoot? Nicely done. Thank you, Auntie Lisa, for the idea. Honey, there's a ton in the bottom of the bottle, though. Look under the bottom of the vinegar bottle. Look under the bottom of the vinegar bottle. Oh, no, I don't care. I just don't want you to, because I didn't know if you overmixed, if it would not work. Now, I don't think the grass is... It's right there in front of you. You can feel the power? Oh!
I felt the power, right?
I got it all on tape. You know you're going to have to hose this off when you're done, right?
I think I'm done after that.
Say thank you, Aunt Lisa.
Thanks.
No, like, I have more for two.